Hi people, we're going outside. There's a windstorm. It's a bad windstorm. Vancouver, Burnaby, that kind of area. Gonna go and see the damage. Oh my gosh. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. We're gonna go see the front now. One view. Yeah, that's just a portion of the tree that came down. Look at that. Look at that. Their fence is ruined. Boom. That made a lot of noise last night. Where my car was. And my neighbor's car is under here somewhere. There we go. There we go. Where it is. Ouch. Ouch. Look at that. Oh. Look. This is painful. That neighbor's fault right there. I wonder how the rest of the city did. He's fine. Look at her.